Hey guys! Okay, Heather here coming at you to talk about how there are 4 months left in 2019. 4 months left. And there is one thing that you can do to make sure that you get the most out of these 4 months, that you start showing up for yourself like you never have before, and you start to see results that you may never have before, right? So what's the one thing that you can do to make all the difference for the rest of this year and beyond? Make the decision to do it. Decide. And you might be like, what is she talking about? That is too weird and simple. But listen, this is what people skip over. When you make a goal, do you actually decide to do it? Do you actually decide that you're worthy of having it? Of working towards it, right? So no more like wishy-washy, oh, well, I hope this happens. I hope I lose weight. I'd really like to start making better food choices, but the holidays are coming up, and I'm really busy and I really like fast food and, I'll try, maybe I'll fit in an extra workout this week, and, every bite you eat, will this help me lose weight? All these questionings. No, we're stopping all of that. No more questioning, no more wishy-washy, no more waiting, no more I'll do it when, or hopefully I can do it. No more hoping and wondering. No, decide. Decide that you are doing it. Decide that, you know what, I'm no longer available for feeling average. I'm no longer available for status quo. I'm no longer available for sabotaging myself. I'm no longer available for not honoring promises to myself. I'm no longer available for literally letting myself drop to the bottom of the priority list. I'm not available for that anymore. I'm not available for feeling like shit. I am available for prioritizing myself. I am deciding to make me number one in my own life. I am deciding that I am freaking worthy of working on. I'm deciding that nothing is going to stop me, no matter how busy I get, no matter what holidays are coming up, no matter what is going on in my life. I am deciding to make myself a priority and reach these goals. I am deciding that I'm going to be successful from here on out. When I wake up in the morning, I will decide every day that I'm worth it. I will choose myself and my own success every single day. Decide that. Feel that in your bones. Feel it in your very DNA. When you read a book or listen to a podcast or something from someone who has overcome all these obstacles and is now wildly successful, do you know what they usually say was that pivotal moment between where they were so stuck before and now, like how they've reached this success? They made a decision. That's all. That's literally it. You don't have to know how or what exactly is going to unfold after this. They made a decision. They said, I am sick of being where I am. Did I already say that? Anyway, now I'm like talking in circles, but that's the thing. Decide. Once you decide, you will literally feel pulled to do these actions, and it will make all the difference on how you show up for yourself. So decide you're ready. Decide the time is now. Decide that you are worth it. Feel that in your body and go for it and watch your life start to change. All right? Bye-bye.